Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most sought after body parts when it comes to building muscle and strength, the shoulders. A strong and aesthetically pleasing set of shoulders can make all the difference in your overall physique, and today we're going to show you the 5 best exercises for thicker, 3D shoulders. Shoulder muscles are complex and consist of 3 main muscle groups: the front delts, the side delts, and the rear delts. It's important to target each of these muscle groups in order to achieve a well-rounded, 3D look. Now, let's get into the exercises. First on our list is the Dumbbell Overhead Press. The Dumbbell Overhead Press is a classic exercise for shoulder development and will target your front delts. To perform this exercise, start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a pair of dumbbells at shoulder level. Slowly press the weights up above your head, keeping your elbows tucked in, then lower back down to the starting position. Make sure to keep your core tight and back straight throughout the movement. Next, we have side lateral raises. The side lateral raise is an isolation exercise that targets the side delts. To perform this exercise, start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a pair of dumbbells at your sides. Slowly raise the weights out to the side, keeping your arms straight, then lower back down to the starting position. Make sure to keep your core tight and avoid swinging the weights. Our third exercise is the rear Delt Flys. The rear Delt Fly is an isolation exercise that targets the rear delts. To perform this exercise, start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart and holding a pair of dumbbells in front of you. Slowly lift the weights out to the side, keeping your arms straight, then lower back down to the starting position. Make sure to keep your core tight and avoid swinging the weights. Our fourth exercise is the upright rows. The upright row is a compound exercise that targets multiple shoulder muscles, including the front delts and side delts. To perform this exercise, start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart and holding a barbell with an overhand grip. Slowly pull the bar up towards your chin, keeping your elbows close to your sides, then lower back down to the starting position. Make sure to keep your core tight and back straight throughout the movement. And finally, we have the front plate raises. The front plate raise is an isolation exercise that targets the front delts. To perform this exercise, start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart and holding a weight plate in front of you. Slowly lift the weight plate up in front of your body, keeping your arms straight, then lower back down to the starting position. Make sure to keep your core tight and avoid swinging the weight. These 5 exercises will help you build thicker, more defined shoulders in no time. Remember to use proper form and increase weight gradually as you get stronger. And don't forget to target each muscle group for a well-rounded look. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed and learned something new. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. See you in the next video.